Dr. Rick Upchurch here with another quick Excel tip. Again, we're going to continue on the theme of using data, filtering, and sorting to make it more effective. I've showed you how to do a couple of things so far. Now we're going to look at one that really makes the information pop a little bit and help it to stand out. You see we have already have the option of including some campuses, all or none of the campuses. And we can organize this by the number of students, but there is a scenario here where I will need to be able to figure out some campuses, some sections will need to be looked at for review, and some will need to be put in this IS category. We've already kind of blocked the IS category here. But what we're going to do now is we're going to add something called a conditional format. So I'm going to highlight the column, and I'm going to go up here to conditional formatting, and I want to go highlight any cells that are less than, and I want to go any cells that are less than 8, and I want to review those. So I'm going to use the green fill with the dark green text if they have less than 8. You can see that's a lot of them. Now, of course, remember, these are sorted by independent studies, so these are all going to be all of those. So I hit OK. Now we're going to do it again. Conditional formatting, highlight cells, less than, and now we're going to go back to less than 2. And we're going to let that be red. All right, you see what it's done now. I'm scrolling down, and you can see that. And you see as we get down here, where the large numbers are larger, where it's still larger than 4 or 5, but it's still kind of got this problem. But see, this data is all kind of spread out. So we're going to come up here to this drop-down filter tab, and we're going to sort it by color. So we'll choose the green one. And you can see all the greens that are listed there. And we can see then the pink ones as well. So pink ones are the 0s and 1s. These need to be evaluated whether we're even going to run them at all. But these others for sure need to be evaluated whether we're going to run the course or whether we need to evaluate it maybe for moving students around to different sections. This works with any number calculated field, and honestly, conditional formatting has a lot of other really cool options that you can explore as you use that. The value of this is to make your information pop so that it makes it easier for you to determine where you need to focus your attention. Hope you found that useful.